Zink started to use Flex Finish Plus because the difference between both is that with the Flex Finish we had to choose either to print matte or to print gloss. That was already a revolutionary step. That was one thing. We got used to that, of course. Then Canon came with the Flex Finish Plus, which brought us the opportunity to mix both together in one print. And that was the evolution, which was very strong. What we see is that customers have to get used to the fact that it is possible. It's something completely new. It's something which is, as a matter of fact, a bit unbelievable. And that's what you see, because the effects and what it can do is amazing. It brings us more work. It does already bring us more work. We are ordering already. Looking at pricing, it's very interesting to do it, because it's not so that a machine costs double for it. It's not. So the added value is very high, and it's very easy to say yes to that. Yeah.